Hello and welcome. As promised, here's a video about the Ark Addon Kit I've made in 3D. It took quite a while to finish because I had to adjust all the tolerances and everything so everything is snappy and fits solidly together. Yeah, and I've also got other things planned for the future. I've got other parts I want to make for the Ark. Yeah, and here's the incentive for you guys. If this add-on kit sells well, like, I don't know, like enough that I'm like, oh, okay, I've sold a few, then I will do the other parts as well. So make sure, if you're curious about this whole project, to support me, and you will see all the other parts as well. But more on that later in the video. Yeah, and unfortunately the color doesn't look on video as perfect as it does in person. Yeah, it does blend in pretty well, but as soon as you take pictures of the Ark, it looks a bit different. Yeah, that's why it looks almost like the official parts. It also doesn't have the right color. So, but as you can see, all the details, I tried to match them up with the original part as close as I possibly could. And here you can also see the turrets, a nice glossy finish. Yeah, as you can tell, it's 3D printed. Yeah, but from a distance, I think it looks rather good. And of course, you can also remove the turrets. They are packed in with a 5mm port. And you can give them like a mainframe, for example. So he can have his own weapons. Wait, let's give him the other one as well. So he can dual wield. Like pew pew, pew pew, pew pew. Yeah, but the best part about it is you can also take like other weapons, for example this one from Jetfire, and plug those in. And it's a very secure connection, like it will take some force to rotate them. Yeah, very well. Or you can also point them backwards for additional thrust. Or he can shoot himself, I don't know. Yeah, and the way those pieces are attached, I can show you. You can simply remove them, and they have like this friction part over here. Simply frictions into this slot. Why is it not focusing? So, and then you can simply put it in, and it sits in there really tight. It won't go out. You can believe me, I've tried. And these parts simply clip onto the main part like the normal piece would. Like you have all those connection points, and these slot in there. Like this. And as you can see, it's a very, very tight connection. Everything fits as it should. And here from the underside. Yeah, as it should be. But let's get into transformation, which all you people should be here for anyway. So you take this part, open it up like this. Then you can hinge this back and snap it into place. Yeah, nice snap. Yeah, I spent around 50 hours perfecting it. So everything should really be snappy, as you can hear. Like this. Yeah. Then we open this up. Then we fold this part out, and then we snap those pieces into those little grooves up there. And then everything fits as it should. Yeah, and now basically you transform the Ark as normally as possible. It shouldn't get in the way. And once you're at this point, you can simply take the arm, lift it, and because we have a nice slope over here, it doesn't get in the way of fitting it. Snaps right in. And now, as you can see, because we've opened up these two panels, the leg will go past it without a problem. Like this. And because we have this cutout part over here, we can fit the arm right through. Like this. And now you just simply put it down. Yeah. So, and here we have the Ark fully transformed up into robot mode. Here you can see the parts, and we can also rotate these. facing forward. Like this. And now he has some proper cannons to shoot some Decepticons. Yeah, as you can see, this is what it looks like. And from the back. And here you can see how everything fits. Yeah, no problem to move past it. And also here on the arm, can move it down, move the arm, and put it back down. Yeah, and as you can see here, everything looks like it should. Fits together very well. And I hope it looks like part of the Ark. So, and if you stand it up, the clearance will not rub against the paint you've used. It's like 0.1 millimeter above ground. So you don't have to worry about those things. Yeah, and what I've planned for the future is, as you all know, the Ark has also like those pieces sticking out. So I want to make these. I will simply pop out those pieces, connect it over here, and then can fold it onto the back. And then you also have those two parts. And that's the idea for the first thing. I also want to make a new part for this thing over here, where it goes down into a slope. And then this part will be moved further back and can also detach, because I want to make it like it fits on the shoulder of the Ark in robot mode. So you can attach it over here with some ports I will put in here. Yeah, and the best part about this thing is it will be like two pieces and they clip together. So people that have problems with this part snapping together, I shaved it off a bit and put some paper strips, so now it fits. Yeah, that's the way it should be. Thank you, Hasbro.
I expect nothing, and I'm still let down.
Yeah, I want to make those fit together. So basically, you have a solid piece over here, which ends here, and then you simply snap it into this part with a like really solid connection. So you will not have to worry about this. Then I also want to make a rear thruster, though I don't have any idea now how to do that, because I don't want it to stick out like this other add-on part I've seen. I want it to sit flush with the other ones. Yeah, but we have to see about that. That's it for now. I hope you enjoyed this little tour about the Ark Addon Kit. And yeah, hopefully I'll make another one soon. Until then, bye!